In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Kanban in Confluence. Kanban is a simple, visual way to manage work. It helps you see what needs to be done, what's in motion, and what's finished so your team stays aligned and nothing slips through the cracks. Let's set one up inside Confluence. First, head to your Confluence space. From there, click Create. Then choose Whiteboard. Whiteboards give you a flexible canvas right inside Confluence, perfect for visual workflows like Kanban. You'll land on a screen where you can start from scratch or choose a template, which will save time and give you a clean structure to begin with. In the template search, type Kanban, select the Kanban board template when it appears. This template typically includes a basic flow so you don't have to build everything manually. It's a great starting point that you can tailor to match how your team works. Now, customize your columns. Common choices are to do, in progress, and done. Keep your column names short, clear, and action-oriented so everyone understands what belongs where. If your team has a specific step in the middle of the workflow, you can reflect that by adjusting the column titles. Aim for a simple left-to-right flow that mirrors how work actually moves through your process. Fewer, clearer columns usually mean faster decisions and less confusion. Next, begin adding cards or sticky notes for your tasks. Think of each card as a single piece of work. Give each one a short, descriptive title so it's easy to scan at a glance. If you need to capture context, add a brief note or a quick checklist inside the card. Keep it focused on what someone needs to know to start or continue the task. If multiple people are involved, note the key contact right on the card to avoid back and forth later. With your tasks on the board, use drag and drop to move cards across columns as the work progresses. This is where Kanban shines. You can instantly see what's waiting, what's being worked on, and what's complete. Move a card only when real progress has been made, and review the board regularly so it stays accurate. Over time, you'll start to spot bottlenecks like a crowded in progress column, which is your cue to rebalance workload or simplify steps. And that's it. Thanks for watching.